Gondor chocolate tempering machine. Precise temperature control. Supports custom languages. Cleaning without dead ends convenient and fast. Smooth and efficient discharge. Pipe specifications can be customized. Load raw chocolate material. Preheating and stirring. Temperature adjustment. Chocolate discharge or sampling. Support manual, automatic mode. The operation is more convenient, effectively filters impurities. Improve the quality of chocolate liquid. Built-in filter system. Prevent pipeline blockage. Uniformly stirring and heating. The finished product has fine luster. Optional configuration. Final products show. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability.